Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I look a little bit crazy because I've just done my foundation and my eyebrows, but that is for very good reason, as I am going to be doing my makeup really badly to see how my boyfriend will react. And I don't know why I'm whispering because he's all the way upstairs and probably can't hear me, but just in case, I don't want to ruin this. I've seen this video quite a lot on YouTube and I love it. I just find it so funny, and I've always been really interested to see how Leighton would react if I did mine terribly, because sometimes he can be really honest about things like that and sometimes I don't think he'd say anything. Right, so I've got my makeup here. I'm gonna make my eyebrows a bit darker. So I'm gonna get some powder on a brush and I'm just going to darken them up quite a lot. Make them messy, you know, don't correct any mistakes. It'll be fine. Oh my god. Smudged it quite a bit. I like just do ridiculous contour and not blend it or anything. Ugh. And then probably just make it quite patchy on my forehead. I don't want to make it too obvious, so it kind of can't be everything crazy, maybe just like a couple of things. Then I'll do blush. I think I'll put just a little bit extra of this on because I think I'm going to use this purple highlight as well. I've got this palette here. I think if I use this purple colour, which I never usually use, it'll just look kind of crazy. I think eyeliner I'm gonna just do terribly. I think I've just stabbed myself in the eye trying to do that really bad. Right, now that looks awful. Let me just top it off with some mascara, like really messy. So I think this will do. So this is the finished makeup look, obviously. It's horrible. Now I've just kind of got to figure out a way how to get him in here but keep the camera running and everything, and I don't really know what to do. So I've actually just realised that it doesn't actually look as bad on camera as it does in person, but trust me when I say it's bad, it's bad. I don't think you can see how kind of strong the bronzer is and stuff, so I might just add a little bit more. Right, so I've been waiting here now for an hour and a half. So annoying. Oh, 1 second. Open.
Hi.
Hi.
Angels. You did makeup video, didn't you?
Yeah.
Look.
Why?
Because you went downstairs with no makeup on and now you got makeup on.
Does it look silly?
No, it's nice.
It looks nice.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Have you even looked at me?
Yeah, I just saw you.
You think it looks nice?
Yeah, why? What have you done?
You think it looks nice?
Yeah, I do. Why?
Do you actually though?
Yeah, I do. Why, have you done something?
Can you not see my eyebrows?
Yeah, they're a bit darker than
They're
usual.
terrible, aren't they? Can you see this?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't see those things.
Looks horrible.
I don't look at your
Leighton.
flaws, I look at your beautifulness.
I did it bad on purpose.
Oh, right. That's why you locked it. I don't know!
Can you not see?
No.
Can you not see these eyebrows?
Oh, yeah, they're a bit darker than... If you were like...
They're horrible. Look at my eyeliner as well.
I don't know. I'm going to make a sandwich.
Bad.
Make a
My
sandwich.
highlight's purple.
Okay. Yeah, that's right, Tessa. How was I supposed to know?
Tessa, you think it looked horrible, didn't you?
To know.
Yeah.
To know.
Baby girl. You're an angel, aren't you? Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please remember to subscribe and like, and all the links to my social media are in the description box.